Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily view settings of your battery on iPhone. So for doing this you just need to open settings, and in settings you will see battery, so just open it, and here you can also change options for battery. So here you can turn off, for example, battery in percentage, or just turn it on, low power mode. It means that low power mode temporarily reduces background activity like downloads and mail feature until you can fully charge your iPhone. So you can also turn it on, and it means that your performance will be lower and your iPhone will work longer with this percentage of battery. And you can also, if you need your iPhone, you know that you can't now just charge your iPhone and you need it to have for a long time, you just turn it on and it will save your battery for some time. And also here you can see all activity and what applications takes more of your percentage of battery. And now you just need you can also view how much of percentage your battery also are dead. So how much percentage you can't use from your battery. So if you use battery for a long time, so sometime after maximum capacity become lower and lower. So maximum is you can see in like in my iPhone, it's 100%. So it means that your battery is new, and after some time it become more lower and lower. So 95, 90%, and if you have 65 or 70%, it means that your iPhone will need recharge many times. So you won't have your battery for a long time, and it's also a problem that you need to change your battery. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.